Hey guys, you might be wondering, whose house am I at? Is this my house? Yes, that's my house. This is my house. And this is actually 4th of July. Let's go! Those fireworks are very Mommy, I love fireworks. Mommy, I got But I don't think we can find this. That is a beautiful firework. But we actually have our own fireworks. That's why we made this video. But, what? 4th of July. And this part is about enjoying the fireworks, not about the snake. So, I forgot to tell you this. This is the bad boy. That is the nicest fireworks I've ever seen. Bro, green globe. Those are some nice fireworks. And we have some sparkles. Guys, I'm gonna get my sparkle. After my brother does it. Oh, it's hard to get sparkle. In the middle, there's fire and it's cracking everywhere. Put it next to it. Here, next to it. I got my sparkle! Hey, let's connect them. The super sparkle. And we're gonna get the fireworks ready. Woo! Woo! Start with the red one first. Whoa! Oh, that's a lot. Okay, now second. No, I'll do two. Okay, now me and you will do it. Oh, that's the green! Oh, yeah, it's the green one. So that's cool. Okay, guys, this is the yellow one. So I think it's going to sparkle yellow, I think. So you gotta get the viewing, and this is yellow, I think. Yeah, that's yellow. Okay, no, it's yellow. That's cool. Now, they're doing blue. Blue. This is going to be so cool. Oh, that's a blue. Wait, it's purple. That is cool. We got the third one. We got another one. That was a cool. Guys, are you ready for the second one? It's going to be cool. Oh, fast. Yes. Whoa. Oh, that was green. That's Logan. It's one of my favorites right now. I got mini fireworks. I saw one big one over there that looks exactly like that. So it's just mini. Are you ready? This is the fire going down. Red or pink. It's red or pink. You know, pink. Red. Oh, that's my favorite one yet. Yeah. That red is going up. And that part right there. Okay. This time, I got my two little friends. Now start. Stay back. That one was good. Ready? Bro, look at you. That one was good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lighting it up now. Scary. Oh, that was fun. I like it. There. Bring a little. So it's called the Pro Mixer. Okay, it's called the Pro Mixer. Good. So it's always that thing. Oh! Wow! Wait, like this. Okay, I have to. Oh my god. I have my shirt mask on, so I don't think any carbon dioxide. Somebody told me to do this while having these fireworks. This one. Wait, that one, no, sorry. I will do this. So the fire doesn't come in my face while it blows up. Oh my god, another fire. And before, and when I go to fireworks, the DT will go right in. Stand back. When they're done, they'll always stop and then restarted. We've had those before. That was crazy. snake, but I had such an amazing time. I met my neighbor too. So, like and subscribe and peace.